Ever wondered how some words just naturally fit together, like fast food, bright idea, or highly recommend? Welcome to the fascinating world of collocation. Imagine words as social creatures. Just like us, they have their preferred companions, the ones they feel most comfortable with. This is the essence of collocation, words that often go together, forming a harmonious duo. But why is this important? Well, mastering collocations is a key step in language learning and achieving fluent communication. It's not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about understanding how words interact, how they form partnerships, and the subtle nuances these partnerships create. They're the secret ingredient that makes language rich, expressive, and dynamic. And the best part? There's a collocation for every situation, every emotion, every idea. Now let's dive into a specific collocation to understand its usage and significance. Consider the collocation bright idea. Doesn't it instantly make you think of something innovative, clever, or useful? It's amazing how these two simple words can evoke such a specific image, isn't it? In the realm of business, bright idea often signifies a game-changing strategy or a unique solution to a pressing problem. Picture a boardroom where someone triumphantly declares, "I've got a bright idea." It's almost as if a light bulb has literally switched on, illuminating the path to success. On the other hand, in casual conversation, bright idea might be used more playfully or sarcastically. Imagine your friend suggesting a midnight hike in the woods. You might respond, "Oh, what a bright idea," with a roll of your eyes. In creative writing, bright idea could be a metaphor for a character's sudden enlightenment or a plot twist. It's a vibrant phrase that brings a spark of ingenuity to the narrative. As you can see, bright idea is more than just two words put together. It conveys a specific meaning and emotion. Where did bright idea even come from, and are there similar collocations? Well, to dive into the origins of bright idea, we need to go back to the late 17th century. The term bright was often used to describe someone or something that was shining or full of light. Over time, it evolved to symbolize intelligence and sharpness of mind. The word idea was borrowed from the Greek eidein, meaning to see. So a bright idea, in essence, is an idea that shines, something that stands out. Now let's take a look at some of its linguistic cousins. Brilliant thought is one such collocation. Brilliant shares a similar etymological path with bright, and thought is a close synonym to idea. Another relative is innovative concept, where innovative signifies novelty and concept reflects an idea or a principle. So not only does bright idea have a rich history, but it also has cousins in the language family. So why should you care about bright idea and other collocations, you may ask? Well, let's sum it all up. Collocations such as bright idea are more than just pairs of words. They're a secret language hack, a way to sound more fluent and natural in your conversations. Imagine being able to express your thoughts with the same ease as a native speaker, using phrases that are familiar and intuitive. That's the power of collocations. They're like shortcuts to fluency, helping you communicate more effectively and with greater confidence. Moreover, understanding collocations can boost your language proficiency. It makes you more aware of the nuances and subtleties of the language, enabling you to understand and use it in a richer, more nuanced way. Remember, mastering collocations like bright idea can make your conversations more natural and engaging. So, keep an eye out for these powerful language tools.